ticker symbol V, and it's currently gapped up approximately more than 2%. Right now, the consolidation is about 70 days. 70 days of consolidation, and the depth is about 6 to 7%. As you can see, it has crossed the slanted downward trend and gapped up. And there's two downward trend that we're looking at. The first one has gone by, and now it's currently working on the second slant. As you can see, the support line down here, we have two. One right above the gap and one right below the gap. We have two stop losses to protect ourselves, and these two has a tremendous amount of support, and this is what we call the support zone. Now you might be wondering if it's time to get in. I would wait a little bit towards the end of the day, because when it closed close to the opening day, and make sure to get into it when it's above the opening day and not below. If it's below the opening day, then there's a chance that it will go down even further. Now, just to make sure, you look at the 50 EMA line and make sure it's above the 50 EMA line. And it's the only way to tell if it's a bull market or the bearish market. Right here went below for one day and then went back up the next day. And the next day went back up again. So make sure you look at the 50 EMA first. Then for the risk and reward, I would put your stop loss around 302, 303, and then your target would be twice as much. Let me see. So right here, around 337, 338. The highest I would go is 340. And if it breaks out this resistance line, which I'm going to show you here, if it breaks out this resistance line with very good volume, high volume, it should looks like this, about 3 or 4 times the average volume. You get into it and put your stop loss. You do a trailing stop loss and move it below the lowest of the day. So for example, if you would get into this right now, you put the low right here, and the next day it goes low right here, you put the stop loss right here. Next day you put stop loss right here. So that's my strategy when it breaks out of the resistance, the pattern. So if you have an ascending triangle, a head and shoulder, and it breaks out, make sure you put your stop loss and follow it. Some people like to follow it with the 10 moving average or 10 exponential moving average. It depends on what's your style. For me, I like to follow by looking at the lowest of the day. Now, good luck, and I hope everything works well for you and you prosper on this trade. I'll see you next time tomorrow.